If you're looking for the best Bitdefender coupon code, this is where your search ends. Just scan this QR code or click the link in the description. That way you'll be taken to Bitdefender's website where an exclusive Bitdefender deal is already automatically applied. Now, that's the most convenient way to save money, but if you've already got a Bitdefender subscription added to your cart, you can manually enter our Bitdefender coupon code at checkout. I'll add them to the description for you. Whichever route you take, you'll pay the smallest amount possible. Although, if you're torn between subscriptions, let me give you a quick rundown first. Bitdefender Antivirus Plus is its most budget-friendly plan, especially if you use our Bitdefender deal. This is ideal if you want strong antivirus protection and don't want to pay for anything that you won't use. It provides full access to an award-winning antivirus that won't slow down your device, can actually catch threats, and offers good usability overall. And that's not just marketing, it's been proven by its independent testing results. Despite paying less, your safety isn't compromised here. You're still protected against more complex threats like spyware, zero-day exploits, rootkits, and other dangers too. Plus, there's scam prevention and detection. This works in real time, detecting phishing attacks, malicious links, and even fraud. On top of that, you get data breach detection, which instantly alerts you to any leaks that include your information. And the standard VPN offers a more private browsing experience, replacing your real IP address with a temporary one and stopping any identifiable data leaking along the way. Now, Bitdefender Total Security is the next tier. This is great if you want to cover more than 3 devices and want that extra layer of safety. For example, you get all of that and crypto mining protection. This means that a cybercriminal cannot leech your connection for malicious purposes. Plus, the password manager lets you securely store your data under virtually unhackable encryption. And the VPN, as mentioned, offers added privacy. This subscription is also great if you want to protect your whole household, with family plans available that include parental controls. That way you can monitor and restrict your children's internet access and get peace of mind that they're staying safe online. Finally, there's Bitdefender Premium Security. Now, this is the subscription that I recommend most because it offers an all-in-one experience at a minimal price increase. You get coverage on 5 devices, everything we've mentioned, plus extras that further reinforce your privacy and security. For example, there's heightened protection against all types of scams, online and in email. The Scam Copilot takes this even further, monitoring fraudulent activities across devices and even in text messages. Plus, this plan unlocks full VPN access, lifting data limits and giving you access to more servers. You can protect your privacy at any moment. But that isn't everything. You also get an ad and tracker blocker. This is system-wide and blocks everything from malicious ads to annoying pop-ups and trackers, further protecting your privacy and browsing. And just like the premium security plan, you can buy this for individual or family use, with extensive parental controls thrown in for good measure. Considering everything you get here, this is one of the best antivirus options to ensure you or your family don't fall victim to sophisticated scams or phishing attacks. Remember, the Bitdefender coupon code can make that price even lower, so looking after your device doesn't have to feel like a stretch. Let me know which subscription you go for and how it's going in the comments. Enjoy your Bitdefender coupon code. Stay safe. Bye-bye.